which shows natural phenomena of Korea. And then the choreography and costuming are closely related to the shamanic religious tradition of Korean spiritual beliefs. So Korean dance is closely related to shamanic Korea. Costumes and props. So the costumes and props, large fans with bright images of flowers, called the pyeongchul costumes. They also wear identical costumes. That is their costumes. So together with that, they wear their headdress with the golden tiara called gukguri. And these are the fans. I'm going to present to you the choreography of Korean fan dance. Choreography is precise movement by dancers at once. The beginning, there are many more movements, combinations, sometimes filling the stage with colors and motion, potentially energy. The elements of the Chechu has molded paper, wax, sunji, when the fans are folded at once. Then, it is gracefully curved lines that the fans create a handbook style. There are 3 types of folk song styles. First, Namdong Ninyo in the southwest. Second is Jongji Minyo in the central region. Third one is Soto Minyo. One type of Korean fan dance is Alira. This became one of the most popular in Korea in the late 19th century. Our group is the classical Korean fan dance. As we learn with it, we have encountered Korean terms. So let's review, and here are the few terms. First is the Hangul Muyo, which means Korean dance. Second is the Buchechu, which means Korean fan dance. Third is the Shinmuyo, which literally means a new dance, or its another meaning is Korean new traditional dance. Next is the Dangmi. This is the dress for movement while they are dancing Korean dance, but this is originally worn by court women as daily garment. Next is the Gukguri. This is a type of Korean traditional garment worn by women while dancing Korean dance. But originally, this is used for a special occasion like wedding. Next is the Arira. It's the Korean fan dance music that became most popular and professional folk songs that flourished in the late 1920s. Korean fan dance, or Buchechu, is where we Filipinos can have a knowledge or glimpse of Korean culture. Koreans see to it that they preserve their culture well and still live it up to this generation. They are so ethnocentric that they didn't forget their culture. Korean fan dance is very ritual and solemn for them. Apart from their decorative and everyday function, fans are taught to expel evil and bring prosperity using their ritual music. The grace of the music combined with colorful costumes and shifting geometrical designs lead the audience to believe that they are surrounded with a garden of flowers. That is one of the culture that we Filipinos have in similarity.